Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this type of content, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. All the links mentioned in this review, along with any additional resources, are available in the description below. This is my personal experience using the service, so your mileage may vary. StrongVPN, found at strongvpn.com, is a virtual private network provider. VPNs offer a secure connection by encrypting your internet traffic and routing it through a server of your choosing, masking your true IP address. This has numerous benefits, from enhanced privacy online to bypassing geo-restrictions and accessing content that might otherwise be unavailable in your region. StrongVPN boasts a large network of servers spread across the globe, offering users a variety of connection points. This global reach contributes to better connection speeds and lower latency, especially important for activities like streaming and gaming. One of the key features of StrongVPN is its commitment to strong encryption protocols, safeguarding your data from prying eyes. They offer support for various protocols, catering to users with differing technical needs and priorities. The company also has a strict no-logs policy, meaning they don't retain records of your online activities. This provides an extra layer of privacy and anonymity for users concerned about their digital footprint. StrongVPN offers applications for a range of devices, from desktop computers to mobile phones and even routers. This makes it a convenient option for securing all your internet-connected devices, regardless of platform. While StrongVPN offers a robust service, it's essential to do your research and compare it to other VPN providers on the market. Consider factors such as pricing, server locations, customer support, and additional features when making your decision. Ultimately, the best VPN for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. So, be sure to check out StrongVPN at strongvpn.com and explore their offerings.